Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw lamb from Cult of the Lamb. So first we're going to get started with a patch of hair on the top, and we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then we're going to leave a gap moving in towards the center, stepping in slightly and replicating that, just arching that down towards the bottom. On either side of this on the top now, let's curve this line around and then in. And then on the bottom, we're just going to, again, from that corner, curve this around and then back in on the side. Let's move down now and draw in 2 circles for the eyes. So coming down on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And now let's leave a small gap in the center, moving over on the right and replicating that. Now for the pupil on either side, starting from the top, we're going to curve this around, blending that back in together on the bottom. Now in the center of our eyes, we're going to curve this line up, down, bringing this back around, and then curving that in on the side. And we'll just replicate that again on the left eye. And then now in the center for the mouth, we're just going to draw in the letter V. Let's draw in the inner shape of the head now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. We'll do the same on the right, starting from that corner. We're going to continue to extend this down on the left, bringing that around and then bringing that in below our mouth. And then now from here, we're going to close that off on the bottom with a slight curved line. Let's draw the rest of the head now. So on both sides, arching this line out. Again, moving further down, let's replicate that, bringing that line back in, just making that one slightly bigger. Let's do the same, coming in on the bottom. And then again, one more time in the corner. Now from here on either side, arching this line around and then up. And then in the middle, we're just going to curve this line from left to right. Let's move up in the center now. We're going to draw in a straight line on the left and right hand side. And then from each corner, we're just going to curve this line down and then in towards the center. Let's draw in the eye in the middle now. So we're going to curve this line up on both sides. And then we're going to connect this with an arch line from left to right. And then in the center, we're just going to draw in a small oval. Let's draw in the horns now on both sides. So we're going to arch this line up and then down. Moving across on the side, let's draw the ears. So we're going to arch this line out towards the side of our page. And then from that corner, just curving this line back in. Now from here, as we move up towards the middle, we're going to arch this line across. Let's move down now for the bell in the center. We're going to draw in a circle. Moving down, we're going to draw in 2 sideways ovals, just leaving in a small gap in the center. We're going to connect those together with the letter V. And then from that point, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes down. Now on both sides, we're going to curve this line down, drawing in a small straight line. And then we're going to curve this in towards the center. Now from here for the cape, we're going to arch this line out. In the middle, stepping over to the left and right hand side, we're going to draw in a small straight line that comes down, ending those at the same height. And now from here in the middle, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, joining that together. And then now from here, we're going to bring this line up on both sides. Again, let's move out and replicate that, bringing that down and then up, leaving a small gap as we come over towards the side. And then again, one last time, just bringing that out towards the corner. Now this zigzag pattern we have on the bottom, we're just going to follow from the top. So we're going to bring this down, up, and we're going to follow this as we come all the way over on the side. And we'll do the same on the left. And then again, as we move over on the right, let's replicate that. As well as on the left. For the hands underneath now, we're going to arch this line over and across. Now for the legs, we're going to start over from the center to the right, bringing this line down, arching this across, and then bringing that back up. And we'll do the same on the left, just leaving in a small gap. And that is it. That's how you draw lamb from Cult of the Lambs. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.